Hey everyone, it's Kalyan Digital here, and I'm pumped to welcome you to this deep dive on email copywriting. You know, we're living in a digital world and email marketing still reigns supreme, but here's the catch. It's not just about hitting send, it's about crafting emails that grab your audience by the shoulders and say, hey, this is for you. Today we're going to break down the essential tips and tricks to transform your emails from easily ignored to highly effective. We're talking higher open rates, more clicks, and ultimately more conversions. Because at the end of the day, that's what it's all about, right? So buckle up, grab your notepads, and let's dive right in. Look, you can't just blast out generic emails and expect stellar results. It doesn't work that way. Before you write a single word, you need to understand your audience like the back of your hand. Who are these people? What are their pain points? What keeps them up at night? What are their aspirations? Once you have a firm grasp on their needs, desires, and motivations, you can tailor your message to resonate with them on a personal level. Remember, relevance is key. When your emails speak directly to your audience's unique circumstances, they'll be far more likely to pay attention and take action. Every email you send needs a clear and defined purpose. What action do you want your readers to take after reading your email? Do you want them to download a resource, sign up for a webinar, or make a purchase? Define your goal from the get-go and ensure that every element of your email, from the subject line to the call to action, aligns with that objective. Don't try to cram too much into one email. Keep it laser-focused on a single, compelling call to action. Remember, clarity is your best friend. When your audience understands what you want them to do, they're far more likely to actually do it. We live in a fast-paced world, and people are bombarded with information every single day. No one has the time or patience to read through walls of text in their inbox. That's why it's crucial to keep your emails concise and scannable. Use short paragraphs, bullet points, and headings to break up the text and make your emails easy on the eyes. White space is your friend. Highlight key information and use formatting to draw attention to important points. Remember, people are skimming their emails, looking for valuable information that jumps out at them. Make it easy for them to find it. Your subject line is the first impression your email makes, and it can make or break your open rates. It's the digital equivalent of a headline. It needs to grab attention and entice people to click. Use strong action verbs, create a sense of urgency or exclusivity, and personalize whenever possible. Think about what would make you open an email. Remember, keep it short and sweet. Most importantly, make sure your subject line accurately reflects the content of your email. Now let's talk about the heart of your email, the copy itself. Focus on highlighting the benefits of your product or service and how it can solve your audience's problems or make their lives easier. Use a conversational tone as if you're writing to a friend. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. Building that rapport through your writing is essential. Don't forget to leverage social proof like testimonials and reviews. These powerful endorsements can go a long way in building credibility and trust. Your call to action is the final push that encourages your readers to take the desired action. Make it clear, concise, and action-oriented. Use strong verbs like download now, register today, or get your free quote. Create a sense of urgency by highlighting limited-time offers or exclusive bonuses. Make it a no-brainer for your readers to click that button. Remember, your call to action should stand out from the rest of your email. Use design elements like buttons or contrasting colors to draw attention to it. There you have it, actionable strategies to take your email copywriting from good to extraordinary. Remember, email marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep testing, keep iterating, and keep refining your approach. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with your fellow marketers. And don't forget to subscribe to the Kalyan Digital channel for more in-depth guides and actionable tips to skyrocket your online success. We'll see you in the next video.